Welcome to this walkthrough of the NICE Guidance for Windows app. We're going to show you around the Windows variant of the NICE Guidance app, which is available to download from the Windows Store for free for PCs and tablets running Windows 8.1. Visit the URL shown on the screen, tinyurl.com/app-nice for more information. The NICE Guidance app allows quick and easy access to all of NICE's recommendations and advice, and has been developed by Cloud2 and Bliss Systems in response to demand from users of NICE guidance available on other platforms. The app was actively supported by Intel, Microsoft and NICE. Aimed at the healthcare professionals, including doctors and nurses and medical students, the app allows users to search, browse and explore all of the guidance produced by NICE. More than 760 pieces of guidance are available, arranged by clinical or public health topic, guidance by type and treatment or devices. So that's enough introduction, let's dive in. On the home screen that you can now see, you'll see a number of tiles. These will take you to different types of guidance, public health information and guidance by type, as well as some other functions. Let's start with conditions and diseases. That's the first thing that most users will go to. Clicking that takes you straight to the different types of guidance that are built into the system. I'm just going to go for one of these options. I'm going to choose cancer for now. You can see how quick and responsive the system is, instantly showing me all the different categories of cancer that NICE have produced guidance around. So this is all published guidance information available to these different subjects, and is exactly the same as on their website. If you don't have access to the internet, this information is all cached on the device you're using for instant access. Let's pick one of these. So there's a range of 5 different types of guidance, particularly around this type of cancer. And I'm going to drill down into one of those. DG4 looks interesting. So if I click on that tile, you'll see the guidance comes straight up. There are a couple of things we've done for the Windows version to make this guidance very easy to use. First of all, you'll see that from this screen, the guidance is broken down into the various chapters that form the overall guidance article. And we've color-coded them, partly because it looks nice, but mostly to make it easy to recognize the different chapters. We can scroll across using a mouse or a finger to actually see all the different parts of this particular piece of guidance, and I can jump into any of one of those simply by clicking. So let's do that. I'm interested in the technologies. So straight away it's come up and shown me the piece of information relating to the technology for this guidance. There are a couple of things we've done to make the Windows version really easy to use. Firstly, although I'm using this on a widescreen computer at the moment, we've broken the text down into nice easy-to-read columns. There's only one column here. Let's see what else we've got in the system. That's better. So now I can see multiple columns of information, each with a short line length to make it really easy to read, and the ability to just scroll across them, a column at a time, as I need to review the information. If I was reading this on a slate device, and I maybe have it in landscape mode, if I switch it around to portrait mode, I can instantly see the information will reorganize itself to fit the new form factor, sizing and shaping accordingly. So whatever type of device you've got, the reading experience is optimized. A great feature of the slate version is the ability to flick through each page of content. All I'd need to do is flick with my finger from the end of this page and it will show me the next section. On the PC version, the equivalent is to scroll with the mouse, and you can see I can step through each section very easily without going back to the main menu. It doesn't stop there. Because it's a Windows application, you get the other capabilities of Windows 8.1 built in. If I right click, or on a slate device, I can simply slide down from the top or bottom, you can see the context menu that comes up. At the top, it gives me a breadcrumb trail that shows me where in the guidance I am, and at the bottom there are various other tools. On the right hand side of the tools at the bottom, you can see that one allows me to bookmark the current page. If this is a page that I want to refer to fairly often, all I have to do is click the bookmark, click Add Bookmark, and instantly it's been added to my set of bookmarks. We'll see more about that later. Looking at the other options, I have the choice of different font sizes, so I can make it suit my size of device and the current state of my eyes. I can also change the color set around, so if I prefer white on a black text, or vice versa, I have that option. Let's go back to the home screen. Now remember earlier we added a bookmark, so from the home screen I can instantly get to my preferred set of bookmarks. That'll come up and there's the one that I added previously. And obviously from there I can instantly jump down into the articles that I was particularly interested in. Another interesting feature of Windows 8.1 is its built-in ability to share content. On a Slate device I do this by swiping in from the right hand side of the screen, or using the mouse I move over to the right and pull in the so-called Charms menu, and there you'll see the share button. Let me click on that now. From this particular page I have the option to share this guidance document, grab a screenshot, or, where appropriate, open up an application from the Windows App Store. The most obvious thing to do perhaps in this case is for me to send an email, and I can simply click the mail option, it'll fire up the mail application and share that content via email. This ability to share appears in many places within the application. For now, let's jump out of that and go back to a previous section. Another useful feature is the ability to review information from other applications or sites simultaneously with the NICE application. Here I'm going to find a hyperlink embedded in one of the articles. I'll choose cancer, then brain tumours, and pick up this article, TA121. And in the guidance section there happens to be a URL, a hyperlink. Let me click that and show you what happens. So side by side with the NICE guidance, the website that this refers to opens, and I can see and read the information there on the NICE site in this case alongside the NICE guidance in the app. This information on the right hand side could be another application, it could be another website, or any other information that you have access to on your computer. This ability to multitask is unique to the Windows environment. Returning to the home screen, there are some other things that you can do that we should point out. The information in the app is automatically updated whenever NICE updates their guidance. The Updates button will show you anything that's new. We've already talked about the bookmarks area. I don't think we need to go into info for a moment, but the search is interesting. We click on search. This uses the built-in Windows search engine. If I was to go and search, for instance, for colon, one of those exciting terms, you'll see it will go and search the entire NICE guidance app database and find only those items which are related to colons or colonoscopy. So, NICE guidance for Windows provides access to all the NICE guidance articles at the flick of a mouse or finger. It works online or offline. It lets you bookmark items that you're particularly interested in, or even share them with others. It updates automatically to ensure that you don't miss any improvements the wonderful folk at NICE make to their guidance. And that's it. So now it's your turn. To download the NICE guidance for Windows app for free now, simply visit http://tinyurl.com/app-nice. It's there on the screen for you.